Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the 2012 luxaire furnace. So it's an electric furnace, and this furnace doesn't run anymore. Kind of say drain line, say the safety switch for the thermostat. Thermostat doesn't run. This does not run no more. Air filter. And yes, luxaire. That's a 5-ton.
Alright, y'all, we got 5 minutes. We shut down.
And under there is the coil. This is for this. I can't get a vid. Let's see. That says number 6. That says number 60. It's number 60, and we have these little things. I don't know. Gotta see it from. That's what it looks like from the sides. It's a nice vent. The brake. This is for the breakers, and for the back. We come from this side, and we get a side. We get a side detail. We can get a side detail. This is like the door for the air, for like the furnace. Yeah, this pipe is not sweaty. This pipe is dry and moist. It's like pure dry. There's no hope. Yeah, you can't pour no bleach. Yeah, no bleach is not getting poured. No bleach is getting poured up in there.